cleaning expert, Anita Birges. Great to have you with us.
How are you?
Can we start with the top shelf, please?
Okay,
Is that where all the good stuff goes?
Our fridge, okay?
Feng Shui.
Feng Shui, our fridge. Top fridge, you're going to leave for leftovers. Okay, you're going to use airtight containers, and leftovers is the top area is the best for your leftovers. Deli meats, I love using these containers. These are the lock and lock ones, and this alarm, I'm just going to press mute, and you can use these as well. Deli meats is actually a question I get asked a lot because people feel like they throw it, they waste it if they don't store it properly once they've opened it from the package. Also at the top, a great idea is to keep your fresh herbs. Now what I like to do with the fresh herbs is I actually just put it in a glass with a little bit of water. And you put a plastic bag on top. And then you keep it, and these will keep fresh. This is coriander. This will keep fresh for about an extra 5 to 6 days.
Oh, that's good.
Love coriander.
And then dips and everything also on a Lazy Susan on the top. Next shelf is for dairy, okay? So that's the middle shelf. So I've got yogurts in clear containers. I've got the little yogurt snacks for the kids. Then also drinks and eggs should be kept on your middle shelf, not on your door, if you can believe it.
Okay.
Why?
And because it's actually one of the coldest parts of your fridge is this middle area.
In the container.
You should be keeping eggs in the egg carton because of the light and everything. It actually is stored best in its own egg carton. But if you are a family that eats a lot of eggs, I actually use an egg clear organizer, so then it's got all, and look how slim and trim it is. And it just, as the eggs come down, as you pull one egg out, the next egg pops down.
Not out of the fridge.
No.
Okay,
Now,
bottom shelf,
bottom
please.
shelf. Okay, bottom shelf. I've got fruit and veg. You want to use fridge crisper containers if you can.
Where do you get those?
Which
But
means
not
these
your
are
herbs. Are you staying with us?
I'm staying with
Excellent.
you. Herbs we're not putting in this container.
No,
you
they
can
were
get
up
a
the
herb
top.
keeper. It's a separate container.
Gotcha.
These are great for berries and grapes. They come with dividers. They come with a net as well, so they don't sweat. With a net, don't sweat, keeps it fresher for longer. Okay?
Got it.
These are the rules.
Okay.
Bottom.
Who's the net? Sorry. Oh, sorry. Carry on.
Inside your fruit and veg drawer, okay? Every fruit and veg drawer is different. Measure up and grab yourself dividers. Divide up your fruit and veg drawers, because if fruit and veg stay separate for longer, for example, you don't want to put a banana in here. You don't want to put an avocado in here. You want to keep tomatoes, you don't want to keep tomatoes at all in here, but you want to keep things like carrots and cucumbers separate, because then they make it mushy when they're together. Do you know if one weighs on top of the other? So I just put in a few simple dividers.
And
really
then onto
easy.
the door.
Onto the door is really quite controversial. People say you should not put milk on the inside of your door, but everyone does it. Why? Because it's the most convenient place. If you're living out in Uluru, Ayers Rock, where the weather can get really, really hot, then you should not keep your milk on the fridge door. You should keep it laying down in the middle part of your fridge.
Oh, leaks sometimes.
And now one last thing before we go.
Okay.
Fruit and veg. If you want to store your fruit and veg for longer once it's been cut,
What are those
silicon
things?
pods. So you cut like for a tomato. So now my tomato will be fresher for longer, and you just put it on like this.
Easy
And then the
peasy.
last one I wanted to show you, so
my
important,
goodness.
is
It's
here.
like show and tell.
Because I actually brought this off my own fridge. This is a magnetic shelf that you put on the side of your fridge.
Oh, stick it
Why?
on. Stick it on.
It doesn't. Your fridge has melamine on the side. My fridge
What about
has
on the
metal.
front?
You can. Go, let's do it on the front. Look,
okay.
Look how strong it is. I'm not joking.
If that.
There you go.
This is brilliant, Charlotte.
Yes.
So this is the best thing I've done in my kitchen.
Where did you get that from?
Amazon. So I put my tomatoes here. I put our collagen powders up here. I hang our bananas
good.
on the side. I'm telling you, my husband's over there. It's the best thing we've
Okay.
ever done in our kitchen. We love it.
We
All
love
right,
that.
let's start on collagen. No, let's not do that.
Thank you. You're amazing.
Thank you, Anita.